Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's party day. I don't know if you can see, but we are packed to the max. Mooch is taking his nap, which is perfect. We were worried about the timing and everything as the party does start during his nap and we don't want him to be cranky, so this really works out. We are at Dollar General. We're trying to get like some party favors and party bags for everybody. We are predicted to be like right on time if he hurries up. My husband's inside. They provide a lot of the stuff, so we don't have to do too much, which I love. I'm forever going this route and never throwing a party at my house again. I say this now, but I really don't want to throw a party again. So yeah, when we get there, we really just need to blow up balloons and do like little tiny things. But I'm so excited. Everybody's on the way and we are gonna have a good time today, guys. So I'll talk to you guys later.
He's scared. Let me run up there and grab my keys.
That's my niece Harper. Hi. We're leaving Great Wolf Lodge and we had so much fun. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Especially for a birthday party. That was perfect. They pretty much provided everything. We bought like little stuff like balloons and everything, but we had an amazing time. The kids played so much. Everybody's so tired. So hopefully everybody sleeps through the night tonight. And I'm just so happy for my baby's second birthday. That was so much fun. You had fun?
Had a blast.
We were. I feel like honestly, the grown-ups might have had
more fun than the kids.
More fun than the kids.
We had to put the kids down.
Yeah, we put the kids down, left them with the grandparents, and we took off. Cause I really do want to do like all those slides again. Like if we have more.
We'll be back.
Yeah, we definitely gotta come back.
Maybe once a month.
For sure, for sure. Like with all the kids, all the nieces, nephews, everybody. That was so much fun. We probably look tired now. It's been a long day. We're literally about to take it in. We got a hotel right up the street, so we're about to pass out, I feel like. You trying to watch Love Island for real?
Probably won't happen.
Okay. Where's this car seat on this side? You know it's a success when you're knocked out. Before we could even get to the hotel. Hey guys, I am back. We checked out of our hotel and we just arrived to the zoo, the safari whole thing. We were gonna take our cars, but the worker advised against it because like the animals will hop up on your car, damage it, scratch it up. So we are going to, I think we're gonna get on the bus. I'll show you guys the bus. And it has no windows and the animals can come up, you know, you feed them and everything. So I'm very excited. And at the top you can walk around and like go see the different animals. So my husband went inside to get our tickets. I'm chugging my coffee. I'm about to go to the bathroom. That's the birthday boy chomping on an apple. He's getting it in with the apple. Say hey, Mooch. So I already started getting stuff out the trunk. This whole side, got most of the stuff out the back seat and the front seat. But yeah, let's go. We are back home. We got 2 of these. This was on our registry and then somebody gave us this. So I think we're gonna return this one since that's the only one we can and get something else. But he's gonna love both of them. They blow out bubbles. He loves bubbles and everything. And this is what I bought in so far. I'm gonna keep it going. Hello guys, I forgot to vlog when we were leaving, but we just left Piedmont and he had his swim class. I didn't get any footage today, but he's doing good. Of course, y'all know he loves water, so it's really us that really just have to get him in water more and practice. But yeah, we're about to head home, get something to eat, get him to bed, and finish watching Love Island. You guys watch Love Island? We've been like binging on it, the past month? This whole month? Every night. We try to get 2 souls in it sometimes, so I'm ready to see who won because we both keep seeing spoilers online and I'm sick of not knowing like what's going on. So yeah, I think we're on like episode 29 or something like that, so we like towards the end. So yeah, we're heading home, about to do all that. We're tired. We did the gym earlier today too. I need to finish my protein shake and everything, eat dinner. So I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. Some water all on my glass. One a bajillion. He didn't go in it, but I feel like he's gonna like it. How cute!